What kind of habitat supports bird life on South Padre Island? Imagine a place where vibrant bird life thrives, surrounded by stunning natural beauty. South Padre Island is one such destination, offering a rich variety of habitats that support countless bird species. The island features a mix of freshwater ponds, salt marshes, native brush, and open sky areas. Each of these habitats plays a vital role in providing food, shelter, and breeding grounds for birds. Freshwater ponds are a haven for species like least bitterns, common gallinules, and green herons. These ponds create a perfect environment for birds to hunt and nest. Moving on to salt marshes, you will find clapper rails, reddish egrets, and roseate spoonbills. These areas are crucial for birds that thrive in brackish water. The native brush areas, filled with trees and shrubs, are essential for songbirds. Here, painted buntings, orchard orioles, yellow warblers, and many others find food and shelter. These brushy spots are buzzing with life, making them a delight for birdwatchers. Open sky areas and elevated spots, like observation towers, attract raptors such as ospreys and peregrine falcons, especially during migration seasons. Birdwatchers can enjoy breathtaking views as these majestic birds soar above. The subtropical climate of South Padre Island, combined with its location near the Gulf of Mexico, creates a unique environment. This setting allows freshwater and saltwater ecosystems to meet, supporting both resident birds and migratory species passing through. Birding hotspots like the South Padre Island Birding and Nature Center are designed for easy access. With boardwalks, bird blinds, and observation towers, visitors can closely observe these habitats without disturbing the wildlife. Additionally, shallow streams and small ponds within neighborhoods provide bathing and refuge for migratory birds. The presence of thorn scrub and subtropical woodland elements nearby adds to the diversity of bird species seen on the island. In summary, South Padre Island offers a rich mix of habitats that cater to the needs of various bird species. The combination of wetlands, brush, and open water areas creates a vital refuge for birds year-round. Whether you are a seasoned birdwatcher or a casual observer, South Padre Island is a remarkable place to appreciate the beauty of bird life.